7:19. I've got a coffee on, I've done the kids' breakfasts. Bandit wants some water. You using that one or you gonna, yeah. Okay, bub. Bandit wants some water. Ari's lunch is done, Fox's lunch is done. The sky is really pretty, look. Let's go outside and see how cold it is. It looks like there's a frost. Oh, it is cold. Look, the sky is really pretty. Nice. That is really cold outside. Today is going to be a day of posting stuff. I've got loads of things to post, loads of orders. My car's going in for an MOT. I'm just filming this bit. My car's going in for an MOT today, which we are confident that it's going to pass because there's nothing wrong with it. And then hopefully a man is buying it tomorrow, just because I need something that I can fit the kids in because they can't all fit across the back, which is annoying. And Mika is on a booster rather than her proper car seat, which just makes me panic. So yeah, that should hopefully be happening today. What else was on today? I did a planner this week because I wanted to make sure I didn't forget anything. So yeah, Mika hot dinner today, pork stew, home packed lunch. These are all Mika's lunches for the week because she's the one whether she has hot dinner or not. Chippy's the vet tomorrow. My friend and her little boy are here then. Yeah, so that's all that's on today, but we shall see how it pans out. And Ben is going to take the car after he finishes work because otherwise I'll have to leave it and not be able to do school runs. The cats have opened my bread. I made bread yesterday, little shits. Look at this. This is I made baguettes. They don't look like proper baguettes, but they taste incredible. They're so nice. So yeah, the cats have had that one open. They haven't. I ripped this, but they pulled the tea towel open. So I'm going to wrap these up better. They're still really nice and soft. This one's gone a bit hard because that's been exposed to the air. So I'll make breadcrumbs out of that one. Good morning. You'll say morning.
Morning.
Did you have a rubbish sleep?
Yeah.
Are you poorly?
I went in Mummy bed 1 hour.
Yeah, and then you were just in your bed wiggling. Do you feel okay?
Yeah.
You're not poorly?
No.
I don't think you're poorly either. I think you're going nursey. Do you want to see your lunchbox for after nursey?
Yeah.
Go on then. You show everyone how you can open the fridge now. Oh wow! There it is at the bottom. Fuzzy lunchbox ready for after nursey. What do you want for breakfast? Nola?
I want chocolate milk.
What?
I want chocolate milk.
You want chocolate milk?
Yeah.
Okay. Want me to get you chocolate milk?
Yeah.
This little chocolate milk.
I'll get one.
Okay, you get one then. We're trying to make hot dog buns for tomorrow. This is a very sticky dough, so we'll see what it's like. We've put it in the fridge now for 24 hours. When in doubt, make noodles. These are my favourite ones. I've added an obscene amount of this, and I'm going to add some veggies, and it's going to be amazing. Hey, just got back from the school run. It was fine. It's been a miserable day, but it hasn't been raining. And then I got to Mika's school, parked in the car park, and it started to piss it down. And it rained the entire time we were outside, me and Fox picking her up. And then all the way on the drive to Aria's school, the whole time we were outside in the rain to pick Aria up. And then the second we'd all got strapped into the car, it stopped raining. It's just like I say, my hair was straight. Like, my eyeliner just keeps running down the side of my face because I'm all soggy. All the kids are soaked. Fox's nappy fell off, didn't it?
Yeah.
He's just washing his arms and his hands. He likes to wash his hands. Yeah, his nappy fell off on the school run, which is super fun, so his bum fell out. I'm now going to roast some potatoes. And this is going to look gross, but I made a stew yesterday. It looks gross. It looks like dog food, but it's delicious. It's like a pork stew, pork and apple stew. Ben has taken my car to get the MOT. Rocky is over here for people asking for more Rocky content. There he is. And the gremlin himself. We're doing yacht calls. What are you doing, little Yocky dog? Yocky. Yocky. Can you sit? Daddy's taking Mummy's car. Yocky.
Where?
Daddy's taking Mummy's car to the shop.
Where, Mummy car now?
Mummy's car's gone for an MOT.
MOT.
A MOT. You cuddling your Yocky dog? Is he a good pig? Is he a good pig?
Not running.
Is he a good pig?
Yeah.
You a good piggy? I think Mika just said that they were watching football at school, which I'm not happy about at all. Like, I completely disagree with the fact that the World Cup is even happening in Qatar at the moment. I think it's absolutely fucking disgusting. Just blows my mind that, well, it's not his money, isn't it? All they fucking care about is money. All everyone cares about is money. Can you have a fire? Maybe we'll build a fire in a minute.
Tomorrow.
In a minute, Mummy's just got to get the potatoes on.
Rocky likes the fire.
Yeah, Rocky likes the fire. You come, no, come in here with Mummy for a minute, Bubby. We got to cook.
Why?
Because I can't leave you in here by yourself and I need to cook. Come on. Come on, Bubs. Foxy. No, come on. Just for a minute. It's not bedtime. Come on. It's just constant arguments with him. Yeah, I think it's hideous. Like the whole World Cup thing, and I'm not surprised at Mika's school for letting them watch the World Cup, because they're a religious scholl, so they obviously don't give a shit about LGBTQ rights or anything like that, because the fucking church is just as corrupt as everyone else, isn't it? That I've made it very, very clear to her that this country should not have, not this country's awful as well, but Qatar should not be hosting the World Cup because of their stance on LGBTQ+. Just fucking pisses me off. So yeah, I'm just completely ignoring the World Cup. I think it's hideous, and it just gives me rage. So yeah, here she is, squidgy legs. We need to make dinner. My straight hair is no longer straight. My eyeliner is smudged. It's 7:10. There's a cat there. I'm gonna have a shower and then I'm gonna go to bed in the hopes that tomorrow I will feel better, because this is just ridiculous now. I'm bored. I'm bored of feeling crap. Yeah. I'll see you tomorrow.